Good morning. Today is Sunday the 18th and I am going to head to the gym. I don't want to. Literally, it's taken me an hour and a half to convince myself to go. That was an intense workout. I did my run. I looked at the next run. It is crazy. It is literally adding an extra minute, and there's so many running spots. It's like run a minute and a half, walk 2 minutes, run 2.5 minutes. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Literally, I'm gonna die.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start.
4 big kits, 4 mini kits, and then leftovers, which are both full and mini, but I don't know what I need of each, so I didn't print that many because, like I said earlier, there were quite a few people on my Instagram stories that said that they were purchasing, but I haven't gotten that many sales, so I am not printing an enormous amount. I think I printed equivalent to 12 kits between the two.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday the 20th. I didn't vlog yesterday. I had a lot of work to do and I was at my parents'. It's 10:30. I have today off. So excited. I'm about to head to the gym and then my friend for lunch. So I created my mom's card yesterday. Sunday night. I didn't vlog any, but I probably should have, but this is what I'm working with. I need an intervention. I'm back. I went to lunch with my friend. I went to Target and dress up, but there's 2 pairs of shoes in here. That's why that bag is huge. I didn't get any clothes from Target, but I did get 2 shirts from Dress Up, so I'm excited about those. All right, so I don't really remember the last clip that I had filmed, if I'm gonna be honest, but so I picked up this shirt today. It's like super cute. I don't know, like look how cute these buttons are. Let's get up nice and close. Right? Aren't they just so cute? It's a little bit of a high-low. I'm thinking about wearing this to Winter Plannerland with some jeans and new shirt. Why not, right? So it's also that time of year for me to wax my eyebrows. I wax my eyebrows every 6 months, give or take. I don't do it a lot because I like fuller eyebrows and I don't have them. It's all back from high school. I just wait for the edges to heat up. So push my eyebrow up, put that out of the way, kind of do a squint, and then just draw it out. Give that a second. I always push down, so like my eyebrow's up here, so I'm pushing the wax down. I rather wax twice than wax my eyebrow off. So I just slightly tug and pull off. Again, pushing down on that wax. Just give it a second. Hold it a little taut and rip. Yeah, that's the one I had. Ooh. That might just be extra wax. Yeah. I can use it again. I never use these because I try to let them grow in. But sometimes they look pretty. This way. Put that on there and just fold over so wax is enough. Okay. I'm doing more. I do that. And just wait. Just a little bit. Just one. Can I take more? Yeah, sweet ready room and wipe off. Because when I always don't like that one joke when I had acne, I like never ever leave oil on my face. Yeah, so when I fill them in, so this is the arch that I go with. This one, it's my problem one, so I try to extend the arch out here. So I will take a little bit of a razor, which I can show you that as well. You guys must love my angles. So I take one of these guys. So actually I put my eyebrows down, which it looks like I have no eyebrow, especially now, but I definitely do. So I just take it and just slightly come down. Gets all the little flyaways. That's my good brow, obviously. And then this one, I try, but I'm not trying too hard. I'm literally sitting at home the rest of the day. So this one's a little bit less arched, but normally I draw in the arch about right there. So I kind of keep it going. But again, I don't need to because I'm just gonna be home. That's my eyebrow routine. Right, Deems? Boop.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No, and all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I may put it before this. If not, I may insert it now of me planning in here. It is Wednesday the 21st. Didn't finish planning last week, but you know, we got there. Let's see. This is what we got. And then this is all I have left from my kit. I did a mini kit, so I'm pretty impressed with that. So my office is still a mess. I'm still a mess. Went to Chick-fil-A for breakfast. Love Chick-fil-A. I gotta do some editing. I literally have no videos lined up. I need to film a plan with me, get it ready, and then I found some new art that I wanna do, so, but it's like, do you post it after Black Friday or do you wait like an extra week? So yeah, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna put the sweatshirt on because I am cold. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym today. I may lift weights at home. I'll see if I can record it, meaning remember to record it. So yeah, let's clean up a little bit. All right, so I found out the greatest thing probably known to man for this like scenario that I'm about to tell you. So if you have this desk and you have nothing under here and like it slips around, well, I like my desk to be square. I mean, ignore the dead bank. Like, this is drawer stuff, so it doesn't slip. I'ma cut it and put it under that, and let's see how well we do, because that may be the best thing since sliced bread for this situation. Shut the fuck up. Y'all. Oh my God, I look like a mess. Oh my God, it didn't move. I'm dumbfounded because that has been the bane of my existence. Y'all, you don't even know. Go do that. So amazing. Literally, probably the best thing that's happened all day. Okay, I am doing cable management, and the filming isn't really easy for this because it's like under my desk, but I figured I'd show you what I have so far. So I put this guy over here, which goes to this guy. So his cable comes in here, he wraps around in here many, many times because the cables are so long. So you saw that like rat's nest that was down here. Well, ignore all the crystals everywhere. It was just a chunk down here. So instead, I wrapped it. I don't know if that's gonna show. There's probably like a million wraps in there. And then I also put these guys through, and I was gonna put another one up here. There's only one, but I decided to wrap it. You can kind of see, is it like 6 wraps in here for this guy? So these are the 2 lamp ones, but I still have to plug in this, and I wanted to mount it upside down, but when I do that, that guy doesn't stay in. So I gotta figure out if I plug him in like over there and I just mount this stuff upside down, since that one can stay. That's what I think I'm gonna do. All right, so I did something a little different. I ended up putting it kind of back there. I still left these guys up here, and then I put majority of the cords back there. Normal power cord back there. We have this little guy in the middle, which is my label maker, and then this is my nail lamp one. So essentially all you see is the white, and then you kind of come under here, you see where those go. So I may take some of these guys, the little ones here, and then do the rest over there. It is still the same day. It is still Wednesday the 21st, and I actually reorganized my pantry some. Not a lot. We don't have much in here, so don't judge me on that. But yeah, so so essentially this is my junk, which I haven't touched yet. I think I might do that next. But I kind of just, you know, put some things like in perspective. And so we have Philips Hue lights. Well, I don't know if you saw it, but essentially it was dim. And when I opened it, it got bright.